Wow, this is so pretty like this. Here at Hi everyone, I'm back again. I'm gonna give a quick room tour. Okay. I'm laughing because so this is the entrance of our hotel room. And this is the closet with hangers. We have another closet. I put my stuff in here. And we have an iron and a safe. Then we have our little coffee machine area. And then like a small refrigerator. And then we have like a sliding door. And Rachel, hi Rachel! And then this is the toilet right here. And the shower, ooh, I didn't check it out, but it's nice. And this is us!
Hey, what are they looking at? Well, stay to the end to find out.
There is a light. Just kidding. And then we are going here. This is a living area. Whoa, look at this cuties! Did it come with the
A few moments later.
I love that! Oh, wow, look at the bed lighting. And then we have a really big TV. Chilling. And then we have like a little, this kind of looks like a vanity. Oh, yeah. And lights too. Wow, it is so bright. This is like nice lighting. Wow. Anyways, we go over here. Oh, sorry. Lo siento. And we open here. This is the balcony. Oh. Balcony turns on. Ow. And this is like the outdoor. It's not focusing. And it's a me. Oh, did it go off?
Her pen exploded when she was signing an immigration form. Squid like peed all over her stuff. Why am I showing her this? Here it was, and now it's gone.
Wow, what did you do? Would you like to explain?
I just did this.
Nice.
This for like 10 minutes.
Ding.
Top things.
Now that's the end of the video. I'd appreciate it if you could, you know, give it a like, subscribe, comment, heart it, share with your friends and family. Until the next time around, let's be friends on social media. Feel free to say hi over there and I'll definitely say hi back. And here on my Instagram and TikTok handles. And in the meantime, feel free to watch any of my other YouTube videos. I just want to say thanks for supporting me and I'll see you very soon. Bye.